In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert emojis in Google Docs. We all know that adding a touch of personality, fun, or emotion to our documents can really make them stand out. And what better way to do that than with emojis? So let's dive right in and explore how to easily insert these delightful characters into your Google Docs. First and foremost, let's start with the traditional method of adding emojis through the menu options. You'll want to begin by clicking on the Insert tab, conveniently located at the top of your Google Docs window. This option is quite familiar if you've used other features like adding images or tables. Once you click on Insert, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with a list of options. From there, navigate to Symbols, then select the Emoji option. Clicking on Emoji brings up a grid full of vibrant emojis that you might be used to seeing on your smartphone or in your messaging apps. This method provides you with an organized selection which you can scroll through to find the perfect emoji for your message. Plus, you can search for emojis by name if you're looking for something specific, such as a smiley face or thumbs up. It's a straightforward and visually engaging way to add that extra flair to your documents. Now, if you're a fan of shortcuts and efficiency, Google's got you covered with a faster way using the keyboard. This might be a game changer, especially if you find yourself using emojis frequently. What you do is type the @ symbol followed by a colon in your document. Immediately, a suggestion menu should pop up, showcasing several emoji options. This is a fantastic tool for quickly accessing emojis without losing your writing flow. You can click Expand to see all your options or start typing the name of the emoji you need. Let's say you want to add a heart. Simply start typing heart, and you'll see heart-related emojis populate for easy selection. It's an intuitive method that capitalizes on the search functionality many of us use in various other software. And there you have it. 2 easy methods to sprinkle some emoji magic into your Google Docs. Whether you prefer the traditional menu route or the quick keyboard shortcut, Google provides you with the tools to express your creativity and emotions with ease. Feel free to like this video and drop a comment to let me know how this tip helps you. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more handy tips and tutorials. Happy emojiing!